butter, yes, very. Clarified butter.
Oh,
No milk, no water, pure.
pure butter. I like it.
Alright guys, so we are at Victory Sweets. We're about to try the chocolate baklava. Look at these bad boys. Look how beautiful they look. And remember, baklava comes in different shapes and sizes. Here, they make them in the chocolate as well. The original baklava is right over here. It's basically layers of phyllo dough. They stuff them with either pistachios, walnuts, or cashews. I've never seen a chocolate baklava before or had it, so I'm excited to try it. Oh man, I can totally taste the chocolate mixed in with that pistachio and the crunchiness from the phyllo dough. It's perfect. You gotta try this.